Hi, my name is Alan Jacobs, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. You may need a slab band for when jogging, or a quick release torch in the case of an emergency. Today I'll be reviewing some products from PowerWorx Core to help with just that. This is an LED slab band from PowerWorx Core, and it comes in a variety of cool colors. It is made of nylon and is sweat resistant, which is helpful when you're working out or going for a run. It is battery operated and requires one CR2023 battery, which is included when you buy it. It has 3 light modes: fast flash, slow flash, and on. The slab band is easy to wear and illuminates with just one slap. It's suitable for children and can be used when walking, running or cycling. PowerWorx Core Quick Release Set of 2. This is a set of 2 quick release torches from PowerWorx Core. It is battery operated and requires 4 LR44 batteries, which are not included. Magnetic on and off, and includes a carabiner clip. It has 4 different light modes: 120 lumens, full power, half power and strobe. PowerWorx Core XL Flashlight 300. The flashlight has a lumen of 300 lumens and is made of aluminium. It is battery operated and requires 3 AAA batteries, which are not included when you buy it. This torch can be used at home, when doing repairs, while camping, and while doing DIY projects. PowerWorx Core Utility Light 180. This is the Utility Light 180 from PowerWorx Core. It has a lumen of 180 lumens and a magnetic bottom. It is battery operated and requires 3 AAA batteries included in the packaging. It has a vertical circuit on board LED of 200 lumens and a torch strip type white LED of 60 lumens. It includes a back clip for use on work belts and on any pocket. It can be used for your DIY projects, working at home, doing repairs, and makes for an excellent camping utility. I enjoy taking these cool products for a test drive. For more products like these, pop into your local Builders or shop online for safe and convenient delivery to your doorstep. Get to Builders, get it done.